the easiest acar recipe that you've ever met. Hey folks, I'm Azlin Bloor from linsfood.com and Singaporean Malaysian Recipes.com, where today's recipe is going to be. This is a very easy acar recipe, or pickle. Acar is pickle. From my family. It's a very popular recipe throughout Singapore, Malaysia and the surrounding region. And of course, acar is also what it's called in South Asia. Now, this particular recipe is something that my family has been cooking in one form or another for almost 100 years. It's been handed down generations. Think of it as a glammed up acar timun or cucumber pickle. In its most basic form, this particular recipe can be made with a cucumber and some onions, shallots. Pickle them with just some clear, plain vinegar, salt, sugar, and you're done. But when my grandma, my mom, and my aunts used to make this recipe, they would add a little bit more things in them, as you can see here. So we've got cucumber and carrots as the two main vegetables. Sometimes my grandma would just make this recipe with just these two vegetables, but more often than not, we'll add a little bit of cauliflower. It is a very fluid recipe, so you want to use a little bit more cucumber, a little less, a little bit more carrot. Don't want cauliflower, it doesn't matter. Do what you want. Now, it's super easy. We saute the onion and garlic, we add the vinegar and all our additions, turmeric, salt, sugar, and our vegetables, which is basically the cauliflower and the carrots first, plus our chillies. Let them cook a little bit so they'll soften, and then when that's simmered for about 5 minutes, we take it off the heat and we add our cucumber. The cucumber and the carrots are going to be cut into sticks, and the cauliflower into little florets. Cut them up however you want. Should we go take a look at how to do the easiest acar that you're ever going to meet?
So we start with frying our onions for just about a minute before we add the other aromatics in. So we've got garlic, stir, and we're going to add some turmeric, stir, and then we add our vinegar, followed with the cauliflower, chopped up cauliflower, carrots that have been cut into sticks, and also our chilies. Simmer for 5 minutes, take it off the hot hob, turn the heat off obviously, and then we stir in our cucumber sticks. That's it. Here you can see me adding some canned pineapple along with the juice. All of it, half of it, that's completely up to you, or leave it out altogether. Have a taste, just the seasoning if you want, and that's all there is to it. Cool it down and store in the fridge for up to 2 weeks, as I mentioned earlier. Enjoy!
So, there you go. A very simple, basic acar recipe. Throughout the region, you'll find variations of this recipe. Some of them would be called acar nyonya, acar Sarawak, acar this, acar that, and it can be more complicated with all sorts of flavorings, with dried prawns, with candle nuts, with curry powder. The variations basically can go on and on. So we cook the carrots and the cauliflower a little bit to soften them, and then we add the cucumber. So the cucumber remains fairly crunchy. That is so good. Just the right hit of tartness, sweetness, and saltiness. When you're done adding the cucumbers and stirring it through, have a taste. If you want it a little sweeter, add a touch more sugar. Not salty enough, add a touch more salt. So make this recipe your own. This would also be what you can call refrigerator pickles, as they are sometimes called in the West. So place it in a glass jar. One out of the dishwasher will do, otherwise sterilize it. Wash your jar in hot soapy water and then place it in an oven that's been preheated to 130 degrees Celsius, 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Leave it in there for about 15 minutes for it to sterilize. Be careful when you handle it because it'll be hot. Place it in your jar, airtight jar. Keep it in your fridge 2 weeks, easy. This Acar recipe, like so many pickles, will taste better as the days go on. Naturally, the vegetables are going to soften the longer you keep it. In the video, you saw that I added some canned pineapple, complete with their juice, into the pickle, and that's added a beautiful fruitiness, touch, not too much, a touch fruitiness to our pickle as well. That's completely optional. I love pineapples in pickles. I love the fruitiness, the sweetness they bring to recipes. So there you go. A simple Acar recipe, the way my mom used to make it, the way my aunts used to make it, and the way my grandma used to make it way back in the 19th century. Enjoy. Let me know what you think. I shall see you guys real soon.